When packaging demands are high, you need equipment that keeps pace today and grows with you tomorrow. That's exactly why we designed the new 2EZ-A Series Case Erectors. Available in models from 15 to 30 cases per minute, the 2EZ-A series delivers performance to match your production goals and the flexibility to adapt as they change. With a modular design and pre-engineered options, lead times are shorter and installation is simpler. That means you're up and running faster, achieving a rapid return on investment. And here's a 2EZ-A series exclusive, the ability to easily upgrade your machine's speed in the field. No costly new purchase, no added footprint, just a smarter way to grow. And Combi's popular opposite hand case option allows you to run printed cases on the same machine regardless of hand orientation, giving you flexibility without compromise. From intuitive operation to ergonomic adjustments and simplified maintenance, the 2EZ-A series is built with operators and technicians in mind. The 2EZ-A series isn't just another case erector. It's your next step forward in productivity, flexibility, and ROI. Ready to make your packaging line future-proof? It all starts here.